and welcome back. This is V here and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
And we are bringing you another tea recipe today. And this one isn't going to be sweet at all, but you can add sweetener to it if you like. But this is a very calming, yet very, it is calming in all senses because I'm using lavender in this and I'm adding lemon to it. And I am not boiling the water. I already have boiled water in my kettle, so I'm not necessarily doing this on the stove top. I'm just gonna steep everything together, and I'm gonna go easy on the lavender because, you know, if you use too much lavender, it gets soapy real quick. So easy recipe. I have some dried lavender here, and what I did with my lemon is I just peeled off the skin of it. You know, you would usually, when you're cooking with it, you would add the zest. So I just peeled off a few sprigs of it and good to go. You can also add mint to this. That adds a good taste to it as well. So what I'm gonna do is add my lemon peels in here. I'm gonna go with about 1 teaspoon of dried lavender, and then I'm gonna add a few cups of water to this. Now, if you are a person who likes your tea just a slight bit sweeter, I would suggest putting some agave in here because it's neutral, or sugar, you know. So I can already smell everything, but I'm gonna let this steep for a few minutes and then I'll come back and show you what to do. Okay. All right, so this has been steeping for about 5 minutes. I just cut up some lemon wedges and put it in our cup, and here's the tea. And really, it smells really good. And it's probably gonna look plain, like just water, which is okay.
It does have the yellowy tint of the lemon in there.
And there we have it. Simple and plain, but it smells really good. I can smell both lavender, and the lemon is reinforced by the little wedge in here. And you can see the little
lemon,
flying up in there. It smells really good, really it does.
And lemon is really good for like invigorating you, so it's a good morning tea.
Yeah, absolutely. You know? And the lavender always helps with calming you down a little bit. I feel like it brings my head together in chaos. That's what I think of lavender, you know, it brings me together in chaos. And so this is it's a good morning or evening tea, whatever. Really, the lavender isn't going to put you to sleep, but it is going to calm you down. So if you're a person who works better with a calm brain, go for lavender. But here you have it, an easy tea recipe. If you like it slightly sweetened, just put a little bit of agave and you're good to go. But that's pretty much it. It's a simple tea. Make it anytime, enjoy it anytime. We like it. We drink tea, hot tea in the hot weather. It's just comforting for us. People find it funny, but you know,
I drink hot tea year round.
Yeah, I don't go for anything cold.
I think my mom did with coffee, hot coffee year round.
Yeah, I just cold. If I'm drinking a cold drink, it's not gonna comfort me, so it's not for me. But things like this, I'm always up for it. So give it a try. Tell us how you like it, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you are making this tea, take a picture, post it on our socials. Our socials on Facebook and Instagram. We are Kindred Vegans or K Vegans. Find us, send us a picture of you making the tea, tag us, whatever you like, do it, and tell us how you like it. And we will be back next week for more. Bye.
Bye.